Hey there guys, welcome to our channel. This is one for the hardy tropical gardeners following me. Now this video is going to be how to propagate your Aloe Striatula. The only hardy aloe comes from South Africa, as most of them do. As you can see, I've got a huge cut in here, nearly as big as my forearm. Plenty of material to work with here. I'm going to show you the plant it's just came off. So as you can see, it's came off a mother plant just here. That's where I made the cuts, just down there. And it's growing next to my canary island date palm. This plant did flower last year, and I'm hoping it'll do so again this year, in about July, August time. Beautiful big yellow racema flowers. Right then guys, so the next step is to completely strip this ligament of all its leaves. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to turn the camera off so I can use both hands. Right then, as you can see, all the leaves have now been stripped off the stem, apart from the top ones here. Now there are a couple of ways you can propagate these by cuttings, so I'm going to separate this into a few different sections and use both ways. As you can see, I have now cut down the cutting into 3 separate ones, and the first method is just to leave the cutting, press it into the soil lengthways like this, and we've already got a started one here, but it'll create loads of little nodules which will grow up into their own stems, and it'll sprout roots all on the bottom along where the soil is. The second one is to just pop them in like this, horizontally, bury them into the soil. I'm going to do that twice. Oh, yeah, I'm going to make sure it's the right way around now. And these ones should create loads of little sprouts coming up, facing upwards. As you can see, all 3 cuttings are now set in. I'm going to give it a very light watering just to moisten the surface of the soil, and give them a couple of weeks. They should start sprouting roots. This one, obviously this has already got a head start, but this one will start producing growths from around the top all the way down to the bottom, whereas this one will create little nodules like that, which will rise up. They'll come from each little section along the stem, and it'll create a lot more roots than these two and be an ultimately more healthy plant. But once it's done that, you can then split that off into separate plants as well, so we could end up with way more than 3 cuttings if they're all successful. I'll keep you guys all updated.